Alright, welcome to Coursemenia. So in this website, you are going to have access to some digital value. Now, this video is going to be a very quick video to show you how to get along or how to use the website. So when you come to this website now, you can see from here, you can see the courses that are available on this site. Meanwhile, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see some of the future courses. So many others are coming. So there are some of them that are free. The ones you see without a price tag is a free course. So the ones you see with the price tag, you see the price there. So once you come here, the first thing you will need to do is to first of all register on the website. Registration is free. So just understand this, the registration is free. You don't have to pay any money to register. However, to access some of the courses that are not free course, you need to pay for that course. So to get it started, you need to either you click on get started here. So it's going to take you to the student registration page, so which you are going to fill in your details. So I'm going to quickly do that now. So assuming that my name is Samuel, I put my surname, then you're going to pick a username. You're going to pick a username. So for example, now let me just pick Samuel Doe for you. Then you're going to pick put in your email address. Remember, you need to put the right email address, because it's from this email address you are going to get some of the details. And also when you lose your password, it's from the email you are going to recover your password. So I'm going to just use one email. Then you're going to choose password. So let me just quickly put a quick password, just 0 down to 1. So this is just a test registration. So after that, I'm going to click on register. Now once you register, it's going to take you to your dashboard, the student dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and then from here you are going to see if you have enrolled on any course, which you have not actually, because you are a new student. So but when you enroll on courses, you are going to see the courses here. Then you're also going to see the active courses. If there are ones you have completed, you are going to see them here. Now another thing also, maybe if you are a content creator, like a course instructor or course creator, you can join Coursemenia as a course instructor here. So very easy to register. So once you just click on become an instructor, it's going to bring you to this place. All you need to do, since you already register as a student, you're just going to click on apply here. Once you click, there will be a request that will send to the admin, which they are going to go through it and then maybe approve or disapprove your application. So now, having registered, you need to come back to the Coursemenia homepage. Then you go to the courses to take a look at the courses and then pick the one you wish to enroll into. So if I go to explore courses, it's going to bring all the courses that are available here now. So now you can see this. So we have a handful of them now. Many of them are still coming. So once anyone you wish to enroll into, just click on enroll now, and then it's going to take you to where you are going to make payment. But if it is a free one, then you just need to follow the instruction. There will be no need for you to make payment. But since it is not a free one, you need to just continue. So here you just need to click on proceed to checkout, or if you have a coupon, maybe a discount coupon, you can just enter it here and it's going to take away that discount. So I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. So now at this point now, just fill in the same name you use while you are registering, and also fill in the other little details. And then after filling that, you need to pick your payment method. We have the bank transfer. Also we have the payment with credit cards and all that. So after you do that, you just click on complete payment. So if you choose pay with credit card or debit card, after filling your information, it's going to take you to where you are going to put in your card details to make payment, and that immediately after that is going to take you to your course area where you are going to start your course. So I hope this video explained it very well. So thank you.